What do you understand by condensation? Discuss the various examples of condensation observed in nature.
Condensation is the process by which a gas or vapor transforms into a liquid state. It occurs when molecules lose energy, typically by cooling, causing them to come together and form liquid droplets. Condensation is the opposite of evaporation, where liquid turns into vapor. Here are various examples of condensation observed in nature. Formation of clouds. One of the most prominent examples of condensation is the formation of clouds in the Earth's atmosphere. Water vapor in the air cools as it rises, either through contact with colder air or as it ascends higher into the atmosphere. As the temperature decreases, the water vapor condenses into tiny liquid droplets, which gather to form clouds. Morning dew. In the early morning, when the temperature drops overnight, surfaces like grass, leaves, and car windows may become coated with water droplets. This is due to condensation of water vapor from the air onto these cooler surfaces, forming what is commonly known as dew. Fog. Fog is essentially a cloud that forms near the ground. It occurs when warm, moist air comes into contact with a cooler surface, causing the air to cool and the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets suspended in the air. Fog can reduce visibility and is often observed in coastal areas or regions with temperature inversions. Breathe in cold weather. When you exhale on a cold day, the warm, moist air from your lungs meets the colder air outside. This rapid cooling causes the water vapor in your breath to condense into tiny droplets, forming what appears as a cloud of mist. Steam from a boiling kettle. When water is boiled in a kettle, it vaporizes into steam. When this steam comes into contact with cooler air, such as when it's released into the room, it quickly cools down and condenses back into tiny water droplets, visible as a cloud of steam. Rainfall. Rain is essentially the result of condensed water vapor in the atmosphere forming into larger droplets that eventually become heavy enough to fall to the ground. This process involves not only condensation, but also further coalescence of droplets and precipitation. Formation of water droplets on a cold drink. When a cold drink is taken out of the refrigerator into a warm room, the surface of the glass cools down quickly. This causes water vapor in the air to condense onto the surface of the glass, forming water droplets. These examples demonstrate the ubiquitous nature of condensation in our environment and its role in various meteorological phenomena and everyday occurrences.